cloud computing has emerged as a powerful tool for achieving these goals, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is one such cloud provider that offers a wide range of services to help businesses thrive in the digital era. In this video, we will explore the benefits of leveraging Google Cloud Deployment Manager for successful application deployment and management. Google Cloud Deployment Manager is an infrastructure deployment service provided by GCP. It allows users to define and manage cloud resources using simple and declarative templates. With Deployment Manager, organizations can automate the provisioning of infrastructure and services, enabling efficient application deployment and management. Google Cloud Deployment Manager offers several benefits, including 1. Infrastructure as Code (IAC) approach. Google Cloud Deployment Manager follows the Infrastructure as Code (IAC) approach, which means that infrastructure configurations are defined in code rather than manually configuring resources. This approach brings several advantages, including version control, reproducibility, and scalability. With IAC, you can define and manage your infrastructure in a consistent and predictable manner, reducing the chances of errors and simplifying the deployment process. 2. Declarative templating. Deployment Manager uses declarative templates to define the desired state of the infrastructure. These templates are written in YAML or Python and allow you to specify the resources and their configurations. Declarative templates provide a clear and concise representation of your infrastructure, making it easier to understand and maintain. Additionally, they enable you to reuse templates across different environments, saving time and effort in the deployment process. 3. Automation and orchestration. Automation is a key aspect of Deployment Manager. It enables you to automate the creation, configuration, and deletion of resources, eliminating manual tasks and reducing the risk of human errors. Deployment Manager also supports orchestration, allowing you to define dependencies and sequencing among resources. This ensures that resources are provisioned in the correct order and simplifies the management of complex deployments. 4. Integration with GCP Services. Google Cloud Deployment Manager seamlessly integrates with other GCP services, providing a comprehensive solution for application deployment. You can easily combine Deployment Manager with services like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, and many others to create sophisticated and scalable architectures. The integration with GCP services allows you to take full advantage of their capabilities and build robust and efficient applications. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.